Una I no know say they use washing machine dey wash plate too. Me I no know. Why on earth I can't dey use my hand dey wash plates when washing machine fit clean plate? Oyibo. Na only Oyibo fit carry that method come out because na only them dey bring different things come out. Wetin Oyibo no fit do? Wetin Oyibo no fit do? E no dey. Washing machine to wash clothes. Hey, I don't know. Washing machine. Okay, now I understand. Because it is called washing machine, it definitely means say if you wash anything washable. Even if you put tire, you go wash am. After all, now washing machine. Even if you put clothes, okay. Even if you put when say I want talk wire, you go wash am because now washing machine. See this auntie? Not washing machine to dish washing machine. When they know say this thing you go see inside, you know say na clothes that they use and wash. You go spin and I come turn to wash to dish washing machine. Ah, Oyibo sef, una too dey do o, make I talk true. Now too done too much. Now done too much. You done too much. I beg if you know someone like this video, don't forget to share, drop comment, follow me in all my social media platforms. The same name, Effects always, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make my chop am.